This 2022 Gulf Stream Kingsport 268BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, refrigerator, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Gulf Stream Kingsport 268BH is 5,177 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.